Hi dear students. So in the previous session we discussed about the problems of the second question. So today we are going to learn about the problems of the third question. So the heading of the third question is express the following numbers in standard form. Okay, so how to write the standard form for the given numbers. So before solving the problem, I'll give some. I'll show some steps how to write the given numbers in standard form. Okay, see those steps. Those who are okay. See the steps, students. All of you here to express numbers in standard form. Follow the following steps. Okay. So what is the first step? All of you listen carefully. Okay, and these steps are very important for all of you. First step is that move the decimal point to the left or to the right in such a way that there is only one digit in the unit place. So this is the first step. Here we have to move the point to the left or right in such a way that in a unit place should be only one number or one digit. Understood all of you? Yes. See the second step. Write into 10 raised to n. Write into 10 raised to n. Here after the number. Okay. After the number where n is the power of 10 given by the number of places the decimal point is moved. Okay. So this is second step. You first see this. I will explain all these in example. Okay. Third step is that n is positive if the decimal point is moved to the left and negative if it is moved to the right. See here, if you move the point to the if you move the point to the left, you have to consider the power as a positive. Let me repeat one more time. If you moved the point to the left, the power of the base you have to consider as a positive and negative if it is moved to the right. If you moved that point to the right, you have to consider that power as a negative. So this is the regarding the how to write the given numbers in a standard form. You have to keep all these points or steps in your mind. Okay. After that we are going to solve the problems. Now let me solve the exercise. Okay. See the problems, students, all of you here. So this is a given number here. Okay. So it is 5 crore. Okay. So here we have to write this number in the form of standard form. So what is the first step here? We have to move the point to the left or right. Okay. So here for this given number, where is the point is now presently? Here it is. Okay. The point place is now here. Okay. So next, this point we have to move in such a way that there is only one digit should be in the unit place. So it means we have to move this point up to the here. Okay. So it becomes how much? It becomes only 5. After that, as I told in the steps, you have to write. After writing this number, you write only 10. Okay. And next step is that you moved how many digits here? Count all those. From here to here you moved the point, na? Okay. The point place is now here. You moved how many digits here? Count all those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You moved how many digits here or how many places here? 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it means you have to write here as a 7. So one more point you have to keep in mind that students, what is that third step here? Third step, what it explain? See here, if the point is moved to the right, if the point is moved to the if the point is moved to the left, you have to consider this as a positive. Okay, so here we have to write this one as a positive. If the point is moved towards the left side, if the point is moved towards the right side, you have to write this one as a negative. Understood, Happy? See the next one. See the third example, students, all of you here. So for this number, the point position is now here. Okay, and we have to move this point at this end. Okay, because we have to move this point in such a way that there should be only one digit in the unit place. Okay, na? So it becomes 3. Okay, 3 point. Okay, if you move this point here, it becomes 3 point, and remaining right as it is 1 8 6 5. Okay, 00 00. Okay, 000. Okay, after that, second step what it is explained, write 10. Okay, so now the next step is that you moved the point how many digits here? From here to here you moved the point, huh? So count all these: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, let me count one more time: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you have to write here 9. Whether it is a negative or positive, see, the point is moved to the left. Okay, if you move point towards this end, it is considered as the left. If you move point towards this end, you have to consider it as a right side. This is the left side and it is a right side. So if you move the point towards the left side, you have to write this one as a positive number. If you move the point towards the right side, you have to consider this one as a negative. Understood? Okay, see that fifth one. Here the point is now here. Okay, we have to move this point beside this 3. Okay, so it becomes 3.90. Remaining numbers are right as it is: 90878, and according to second step, write 10. And now we moved the point how many digits here? 1. You don't count this one. Okay, 1 2 3 4. We moved the point only 4 digits. Okay, so here also we moved the point towards the left side. That's why we have to write this one as a positive. So dear students, so this is the method how to write the given numbers in the standard form. So in the third question, total 6 problems are there. I solved 3, and remaining 3 problems you do as a homework. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.